Hi, I'm Guanchan Lin, and my product is called Cat's Diary. A cat's intelligence is roughly equivalent to that of a 3 or 4-year-old child. When parents pick up their kids from school, they have conversations to learn about their day, their activities, their mood, and any unusual signs. But cats can't speak. If only my cat could tell me what it did all day. This inspired me to create Cat's Diary, utilizing AI technology to bridge the communication gap between humans and cats. Cat's Diary is an AI product powered by Gemini 3. It automatically converts surveillance footage or recorded videos into a diary written from the cat's first-person perspective. It helps users correctly understand their cat's daily life while providing guidance on behavioral expression, creating a positive communication loop. Beyond the daily diary, users can upload video clips anytime, anywhere to address specific issues. For any video, you get a closed-loop response, behavior translation plus actionable advice. The biggest challenge in cross-species communication is understanding. We use authoritative personality tests to build communication upon a foundation of deep understanding. Understanding is a long-term process, it doesn't happen overnight. Sudden behavioral changes can signal something special, so we need long-term tracking. We faced two major challenges: 1. High latency. 2. High cost. When designing the technical architecture, we addressed these hurdles head-on. To solve latency, we designed an asynchronous fire-and-forget architecture, cognitive transfer guidance, parallel video data distribution, and edge-side pre-processing acceleration. Cost determines a product's survival. Therefore, we optimized the division of labor between the models. Gemini 3 Pro handles only vision plus deep reasoning. Gemini 3 Flash handles only text generation plus rapid assessment. We also optimized the pipeline design, incorporating video frame extraction pre-processing, layered routing, and local caching, successfully reducing costs to a profitable range. After multidimensional calculations, the estimated operational cost is $7.65 per month per user. Based on our analysis of the market, profit margins, positioning, and innovation, we can see that this product sits in an undervalued market. It is profitable, faces no direct competition, and possesses a first-mover advantage. There are many AI companionship products on the market where AI simulates humans or pets for voice chat. However, I believe AI should not replace pets for companionship. Instead, it should serve as an emotional connector between humans and their pets.